Hey guys, before the video starts, I would just like to tell you the brushes I used on Ibis Paint X. I use Dip Pen Hard, both felt tip pens, and Pen Fade. Also, as you can hear, this is my voice, my really bad voice. I was feeling lazy and didn't want to spend the next 10 hours putting in the text-to-speech, so here you go. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so first you're just going to draw an arch. I would use Dip Pen for this part. Then at the end of that arch, make a wing. You can make it as long or as short as you want. Then make the arch thick. I prefer it to be thick with 3 C's. After that, make a line that is thicker at the top, but thinner at the bottom. I don't really know what to call it. Then you can make your bottom lash line thing. Make this line thinner. Now to add the iris, I'm not an expert at what these things are called, okay? For this part, you just want to draw a half circle. Then add this really stretched out upside down V to make the eyelid. Now I'm fixing it because I screwed up a little. Better? Oh. No, wait, it still looks weird. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna show you something real quick. You see these 2 different eye shapes? Well, if you look closer, the top one is more of a rounder shape. The bottom one looks more droopy. With this, you can imagine any sort of shape and turn it into an eye. That way, your characters will look a little different. But back to the eye that we're drawing. Right now, I'm taking the eraser tool and making the iris line thinner. And I'm just fixing up some other lines. Now to make the oval pupil. And now, my favorite part, the lashes. You can add any amount you want, and you can make them as thick as you want, but remember that they are always thick on the bottom and thinner at the top. You don't have to do this part, but I really like to erase the bottom part of the lash if that makes any sense. To me, it just looks a little nicer.